Now can you introduce yourself? Tell everyone your name. They all of you catch that? Okay, one more time. Tell them your name. Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, so Amigo, how would you like to greet all of these nice people?
How are you?
Oh, what a polite greeting. I hope all of you are doing great today. Alright, awesome. So Amigo here, he is very smart. Now he will be counting from 1 to 10, first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Good job, Amigo. Now he will be impressing you even further by counting in Chinese.
Listen.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow!
Very
Cool.
good Chinese. Okay, so Amigo here, he loves to sing. He will be singing 3 songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song titled Caroline, which means a guest comes to visit. So Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin?
不在家。
Wow, one forward Caroline by Amigo. Good job. Okay, so the second song originates from Indonesia titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. So Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? What a jumping song! Good job, amigo. Okay, so the last song is a special song. Today is the 25th of May. Any one of you celebrating your birthday today? Any one of you from this section? Now don't be shy, just raise up your hands. Okay, we have one gentleman right out there. Okay, anyone else? Oh, the young man in green. Okay. I hope I don't miss out anyone else. Okay, so this song goes out to the both of you, okay? Amigo, you ready? Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the two of you and thank you for celebrating your birthday right here in the bird park. Okay, Amigo has done a wonderful job, but it's time for him to head back home. But before that, can all of you wave and say bye-bye to Amigo?
Elias, say bye-bye to Amigo.
Alright, Amigo, your time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's see Amigo big Canada one.
Yay!
Parrots like Amigo are very hard to